YouTube, this is CJ here. Update. Been ahead working this interior of the car. We're gonna look at it together, see how everything working. I got everything put together, everything's in the car, so we're gonna see how everything is looking. Not gonna be long with this. Yeah, I got work in the shop. So anyway, let's look at this. I got the seats in. Well, front two at least. Got the carpet in. I got the center console in. I got the steering wheel back in. Got the dash in, upper and lower, which also means I got that Teletronics hooked up, that digital dash. I have my antenna up top, or my GPS up top for my dash. My antenna tapped in up top for the radio. Got my heating controls and stuff hooked all in. I got my lighting, or my 12-volt read there with USB ports. With the USB ports and things there. Screen in. I have a USB plug there. I have my sensor right there on the side. Haven't really put those in yet. They're just there. I got the boot in for my shifter. All the buttons that I'm gonna use. Cup holders. Seats are in their places. Everything is plugged in. All the different lights and things are hooked up. The frost is in. Lights are hooked up. My Brougham dash. Everything is hooked up. So what we're gonna do right now together, we're gonna see how this thing works. So I'm gonna cut the car on, and we're gonna see what's going on. All right, let's see. Press the button. Foot on the brake. Got lights in the cup holder. Got your digital dash going. Got 308 miles on the car as of right now. It's reading, focus, at 14.1 volts. Oil is at 51. The temperature, can't really see none of it, is at, where we at, 100. Got 87 on the fuel. Alright, RPMs, miles per hour. Of course, my service engine light on. I gotta still get everything tuned in. I got my light go. All the wiring and things put up. This is the that cable there that just fell. That's my high-low beam. That's gonna get tapped in on the floor right there. I got my vent in under the bottom. All the other wiring is put up, moved out. Can't see it. I still got to put my emergency brake cable in, but everything else is in. Except I didn't put the glove box in just yet. But they got the upper dash in, the trimming, all the way across. All right. Even got the radio on. All right. Let's see if I got any volume. Got a little bit back there, nothing major. Got enough for what I'm doing. All right, now we got the buttons. So let's see what we get. This is the upper dash. Let's see what we get. Y'all see that? You got the Brougham symbol lights up. Can't really see it from the camera, but Brougham symbol lights up. All my lights under the dash light up. Under the dash light up, which lights up the floor. Light up the floor. Also lights up the back floors. See? Same thing on this side. Lights up the back floor. So everything's working. Even with the boot, if you can see it, the light inside the boot My park and stuff, it works, it does what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna call this a win, y'all. Took me a few days to get everything wired in, relays, fuses, everything that's necessary, but it's all in, and it's all reading like it's supposed to. So everything works on every button like it's supposed to. Everything has a relay, everything has a fuse. It's nothing coming off of the power that does not have a fuse or a relay. Even my fuel pump that I got wired to the back has a fuse. I can turn that on and off with the switch right there, which is inside my glove box. I mean my center console. So everything is hooked in, everything is working like it's supposed to. I'm gonna be hooking that glove box and stuff up next, but she in the money. Everything's working. It took us some time, but it's working. Everything is good. Let's see it from behind the car. Y'all see that? That's what it looks like from behind the car. You can see everything in the car. All right, so I'm feeling good about that. Now my next move is I got to get the brackets for this seat to be able to bring that seat further back. I got to get this dash deck done for the speakers. My sound system, I have the wires already ran to the trunk for that, so I'm gonna be able to hook that in easily. But everything else is hooked in. You see the wires inside the glove box. None of that stuff you'll see, it'll be hidden. But everything's in. Even, and this part I didn't show yet, with this portion here, you got your on and off button that's reading the car. It's actually reading the power. Salute. Trying to make sure that it's matching up with what the dash is saying and what the car is saying. This is saying 13.1. This is saying 13.8. So I'm definitely gonna have to get everything calibrated. I do have the USB ports. You see it going up now as it reads. So everything is working like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna call this a win. I think we got everything going. Let me see how this fan works. Got air coming out. It's not coming out the way I want it. Oh shoot, it's not even hooked up. I'm tripping. I'm thinking everything hooked up. Nope, I gotta hook up the wiring up front. But we in there, we got a little music to play in the background while we moving around and finishing up the rest. So I'm gonna call that a win, y'all. I still gotta put the vent and the lower part on right here. But other than that, we in the money. So when I get to driving her, I'm gonna hit y'all back with a little driving footage to show you how it's looking on the road. But for right now, everything is done, everything is working. This is how it looks from the front with the buttons and stuff. So we're in the money, y'all. So I'm gonna call this a win and I'm gonna keep it moving. This is CJ the Detail Guy. Hit you back when I got some more. I'm gone. That thing looking sweet, y'all. YouTube, just want y'all to get an idea now with those lights what it's gonna be like with the car. See how it look golden brown? So this is the inside at night. Got your cup holders, push button start. You got your shifter with your light. Push the button here. See how the button come on? Turns on the Brom sign. Push it again, turn it off. These are the floor lights. When you look in there, see how I light up my floor on both sides of the car. Let me show y'all that. See how it lights up both sides of the floor. Center console is flush in there. Everything looking like it's supposed to be. Even got lights for my when I turn on the dash lights. As you can see, excuse me. See that? It's the dash lights. You can turn them on, turn them off. I can brighten up the dash, dim it, all of that. See that? So, yeah. So it's looking good to me. All the lights working. Matter of fact, let me turn these off. Turn all these on. See that? That's how she looks. That's how she looking, y'all. All the lights working. All the wiring is ran and done. Like I said, everything on relays, everything like it's supposed to be. So, we good to go, y'all. Got more stuff to do, but that was a task for me to figure out how to hook up them wires and things. But got it done. Now I just gotta put the finishing touches on it. I'm even probably gonna put some new relays on my door windows and locks too. I figured out how to do that, so I'm gonna probably do that. I'll keep y'all posted. This is CJ the Detail Guy. I'm gone. Ride YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Got that dash in there. Radio, center console. Ride, y'all. Even got us a little bit of music. Dash, straight speakers. Right, y'all. Going to pick my son up for football practice. We ride. Let's see if they done practice. Nope, still practicing. Let's get over here and see what's happening. YouTube, just want y'all to get an idea with those lights what it's gonna be like with the car. See how it looks golden brown? So this is the inside at night. Got the cup holders, push button start. You got your shifter with your light. Push the button here. See how the button come on? Turns on the brom sign. Push it again, turn it off. These are the floor lights. When you look in there, see how I light up my floor on both sides of the car? Let me show y'all that. See how it lights up both sides of the floor? Console is flush in there. Everything looking like it's supposed to be. Even got lights for my when I turn on the dash lights. Turn these off. Turn all these on. See that? That's how she looks. That's how she looking, y'all. Lights working, all the wiring is ran and done. Like I said, everything on relays, everything like it's supposed to be. So, good to go, y'all. Got more stuff to do, but that was a task for me to figure out how to hook up them wires and things. But got it done. Now I just gotta put the finishing touches on it. I'm even probably gonna put some new relays on my door windows and locks too. I figured out how to do that, so I'm gonna probably do that. I'll keep y'all posted. This is CJ the Detail Guy. I'm gone. What it's all about, just cruising on these back roads, chilling, y'all. Little music in the background. This is what I do it for.